I've been awake for an hour, which isn't a bit of me. I'm not a morning person. Not my favourite thing. But today's really exciting because me, Ryan, his brother's girlfriend, his dad, and a bunch of our friends are going to Goodwood Festival, which is so fun. I've never been before. I have been to a few car shows in the past with my dad, but I think Goodwood is slightly different. It's more of a luxury car situation, which I'm very excited about. I've just realised that my bed is completely messy in the background. I do apologise, and this top is defo creased, but we're just gonna go with it. I have 15 minutes until I need to leave, and I'm not really sure what I'm gonna end up filming today, to be honest. I feel like this could be a collage of clips of cars, things that are there. I don't know how much I'm going to be kind of full on talking to you guys like this, so I thought I would do somewhat of an introduction. It's probably not the best. The background's really messy. I've just got like stuff everywhere. Now I need to get dressed. I have no idea what to wear really. I think I'm just going to wear jeans and a t-shirt and some Doc Martens or something. I have no idea. I think the weather is going to be relatively warm. In the UK it's very hit and miss at the moment. 1 minute it's hot, the next minute it's cold, so I think I'm just going to layer some clothes and we're just going to go with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog though. I'm excited. It's about 2 hours away so it's going to be a long morning. I'm really hoping to get some sort of coffee on the way there. Shock, but I'm gonna need it today. I'm gonna be so tired, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Thought I'd bring you guys along something a bit different. I'm losing my voice, and yeah, right, I need to go get dressed, so I'll see you guys in a bit. An ice cream cone.
Public outing with training the red. Doing the red.
It reminds me of one of those things at zoo with the really long.
An anteater.
Yeah.
Could you? Oh, come on.
I'd get a black one.
I still prefer the blue one though.
Yeah, me too. The blue one was cooler. I like that colour though. But this is better. And that's Kaylee's car.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the one she wants. Yeah, that's so cool. Yes. So we're now just going to decide what we want for lunch. We've just been watching loads of cars and having a wander around. I've not really been on camera much because there's a lot of people and it's awkward, so hopefully you guys enjoy. But yeah, we're just going to pick what to have for lunch. There's like fried chicken, crispy duck, noodles, burgers, that kind of thing. But yeah, don't know what to have. Oh, Ryan's gone this way. We've lost our friends, so stressful. So it's about 1,000,000 degrees and we have decided to go and get some burgers for lunch. There's absolutely loads of stuff to do, but I'm a little bit lost, I'm not gonna lie. There's so many things here. We've kind of just been looking at the cars really and sort of seeing all that, and then we had a little walk through the performance parking section, and there's some really cool wacky races cars here, but having a great day. It's just very hot and I'm sorry, I don't know how much I filmed, but yeah, warm.
It's the guy from Top Gear here.
Not the three famous
I'll stand
guys.
over here and then look.
Film me talking.
He definitely saw because he looked over when I turned the camera around. So embarrassing.
See that there?
Yeah.
There's little wispy bits. I think that's a camera.
Oh wow.
Because they don't have wing mirrors. They've got like little screens on the inside as wing mirrors.
That's very cool. And the doors go up like this. My car knowledge is not great, but It looks cool.
Ferrari SF90 Spider. This is a new one. They brought SF90, that one, out a little while ago, and then now they've just brought out the convertible one. Which is cool.
Very cool. Expensive?
No, proper change, mate. Proper change.
See, I love that lime green. I think it looks so cool. That was you. See, I like this one. I think this looks sick. Lime green.
Melody Collis 20. Isn't it, Melly?
It's my car.
This is the new Maserati. I guess this is based off the MC12. The MC. I'm just...
MC12 is that?
Yeah. MC.
People don't want to see it with nose, right?
So yeah, this is the next section of the supercar paddock. Melly's asked me to film a load of stuff because apparently you guys don't like her and you like me. So yeah. So they have another Zenvo here. And then they have GOODWOOD and the Bugatti Chiron, her Sport, which looks amazing. It's like the banana mobile, the ultimate banana mobile in the whole world. Check this bad boy out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but just there it says W16, which basically means that, hang on, basically means it's two V8s put together and they're each a twin turbo V8, so it's a quad turbo W16. This is a Koenigsegg Regera. It was the first supercar with one gear, I think. Production supercar anyway. And yeah, it's all in navy and blue carbon with gold flake, which I'll go over and show you in a sec. I haven't seen this yet. This is the new GT3 McLaren 720S. I've just realised most of you are just going to tune out of this because you have no idea what I'm saying. But I don't know. From the I don't know, friends that might be watching it with their other friends that are into cars, then you'll enjoy this, won't you? I've converted your channel into a car. What? I'm going to take you to see the Regera. I'm stealing the camera. I'm leaving Melody behind. So there's the Regera. So this is blue and black carbon, full aquaponic system, and then all these gold trims along here. That's all with gold flake, and it's owned by this chap over here, Zach's Garage. Has a very, very good car collection. Very nice. I have lost Melody. No idea where she is. Oh, found her. So yeah, that is that.
We've had loads of friends over who have driven fast cars, and we've given them a key and gone, genuinely, it is so easy to drive, and that is testament to A, Koenigsegg, in the fact that they've made a car so easy, but also, I mean, I know we're on the Michelin stand, but the tyres, in the fact that there is no road noise from it, and it's incredible. I mean, the car is so well refined whilst being so aggressive.
It also has a party trick.
It does,
doesn't it? Does anyone want to see its party trick? Yay! Could you, on the press of one button?
Yes, absolutely.
What could it be?
I wonder. Here we go. So it's flashing its hazards, which means it's just getting ready, and there it is. That is transformer mode.
So have you ever been somewhere, left it outside a restaurant or something like that, and just pressed the key as you were sitting inside the restaurant and this car was outside?
But it has happened a few times where it's rather funny. When you have the key in your pocket, obviously I'm controlling the car using the key. If I want to open this door, I just press that button and it should effectively open the door. I've done this a lot of times today, so it's probably getting a little bit confused. But I have had it so that the key is in my pocket, and I've been thinking, gee, someone's opened the door. And I've gone, no, it is me. And it can be quite confusing, so when sometimes you go to open the door and the back opens up, you think, oh, no, you know, it is.
Just having a look at some Lamborghinis. This one's really nice. We've now come to like the Porsche section, and I have no idea what this is. What are these ones?
What's that?
What are these?
So these are still in the supercar paddock. This is the Rimac. Rimac Navira, which is the new one. It's probably one of the quickest cars out at the moment. It's rapid. It's all electric.
They've got Porsche behind. I know what they are. Yeah. I like that green one. It's very cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, very cool. I like the has like lime green detailing on this one on the interior. It looks really cool. I'll show you. So you've got this, which is the 911 GT3 Porsche, which is unreal. Absolute beautiful car. Defo puts my little Fiat to shame, not gonna lie. And then we've got the 911 again, but this one I think is different. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is a different one. Again, looks so cute. I think I prefer this one. I just really like the headlights. I think it's really cute looking.
History of this car from Rick Kelly Racing
So I am back home after a very long and fun day. I honestly had the most amazing time, and I would definitely go again. It was something totally different for me and I loved it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know down below if you've ever been to something like this before and whether you want me to continue doing vlogs like this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys very much and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.